The company sent me this garment rack and it was really easy to assemble. Total time, it took me like 25 minutes to get it all put together, but now that I know how it goes together, I could probably do it again in like 5 minutes tops. It's super easy once you know what you are doing. It does have 360 swivel wheels with a brake, and that is super nice to lock it in place when you don't want it to move. I am really impressed with the quality of this shelf. These rods for the clothing are really strong and sturdy. I've got a lot of heavy sweaters on there and it is not bowing at all. You've got 4 extra hooks on both sides of the shelf. You can move the clothing rods forward or backward. They are adjustable to be wherever you want, or you can even take them off completely. And then the shelves are also adjustable. You just move the clip that the shelf sits on top of onto any of those notches, so you can have it closer together, farther apart, and just make it what you need it to be. The shelves are super sturdy and can hold quite a bit of weight, and I just love how much this clothing rack can actually hold with the shelves and the rods. You can do so much with it. And then these wheels are super silent. They're very quiet. And again, like I said, it has the brakes to lock it into place when you are not moving it. I'm very impressed with this clothing rack and I highly recommend it.